Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone Air and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find, general. Let's stop. Then we have to scroll down again and localize the option transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset. And as you can see on the second position, we've got the option we're looking for, so reset network settings. Let's tap on it. Of course, we have to enter our passcode to confirm everything. And basically here our device is informing us that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So just tap on reset network settings if you're ready, and be aware because this operation cannot be undone. You have to be aware about that. And as you can see now, our device is processing the whole operation, and it will successfully reset. And then network preferences. Is it turned on? No, not yet. So we have to wait until everything will be finished. Of course, as you can see, your device needs to be restarted, so be patient. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.